Coming up on this episode of Knockaber 3 Outdoors, join Dominic and Don Simon as they travel down to northwest Missouri and participate in the spring conservation snow goose hunt. Stay right here. This is some exciting waterfowl hunting action you don't want to miss.
42 birds today.
Wow.
Hi and welcome to Knockaber 3 Outdoors. I'm your host Dominic Simon, and on today's show, me and my dad are headed down to northwest Missouri to do some spring snow goose hunting. Hey guys, today's March 15th. I'm here at my dorm right now. Just got all packed up and ready to get home. Next week is spring break, and me and my dad are going to northwest Missouri to do some snow goose hunting. So should be a good time. Can't wait to get on the road.
Hey bud, how's it going?
Well, first part of the journey is done. Now let's get on the road and get to Missouri.
Shoot some geese?
Let's do it. It's Monday, March 18th, and our first day of the hunt. We knew coming in that it was going to be towards the end of the migration and that the hunting might not be the best, but we wanted to schedule it during my spring break so that I wouldn't miss any school.
Alright, first goose. Good start. waterfowl hunter used to hunting ducks in Wisconsin, snow geese hunting was definitely a new experience. On day one we had a lot of wind and precipitation, and for ducks it would have been perfect. For snow goose it kind of shut them down and we didn't have much action.
So now it's day 2. The weather is supposed to be sunny and calm all day, and we have really high hopes for today's hunt. Today's hunt is already going a lot better. We're getting flock after flock working the decoys, and I look in the distance and see what appears to be a dark cloud about 2 miles away. It gets closer and closer, and before we know it, we have about 2,000 geese tornadoing above our heads. What an experience that was. Got 8 or 9 out of that last group.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Puts us at like 18.
Yeah,
Sweet.
it's good. That made up for a lot.
That was a huge flock. That was unbelievable. They just kept coming. We got the flock to come in 3 different times.
It was cool.
Let's keep hunting.
Well, alright, here we are, end of day 2. Got 42 birds today. Yesterday was a little slower, weather was kind of not ideal, and got 9. We're down here in northwest Missouri hunting. We're right here at it's towards the end of the migration, but still some great hunting. We had a couple big flocks coming in, one with like 1,500 birds, so it was just an awesome 2 days and a real fun time.